When considering N2WS, there are several crucial things you should know before making your decision. This video will give you a clear picture of what to expect and how N2WS compares to competitors. Stay tuned because by the end, you'll have a much better understanding of whether it's the right choice for your business needs. First, let's talk about the pricing. N2WS offers a flexible pricing structure that can fit businesses of all sizes. Unlike other solutions that have rigid pricing tiers, N2WS allows you to pay for exactly what you use, making it more scalable and budget-friendly. This is ideal for companies that want to avoid overpaying for features they don't need. Next thing to know is its robust backup features. N2WS excels in creating reliable backups for Amazon Web Services, AWS. It's a solid choice for cloud-based businesses, especially those who already use AWS. In comparison to competitors like VM or Acronis, N2WS stands out with its deeper integration with AWS, offering features such as backup for EC2 instances, RDS databases, and S3 storage. The added flexibility to automate backups and restore systems with minimal effort is also a huge plus. The third thing is its user interface. One thing you'll notice with N2WS is how intuitive and simple the UI is to use. This is important when you're managing large volumes of data across different cloud environments. Competitors may overwhelm you with complex configurations, but N2WS offers a clean and user-friendly dashboard that simplifies management. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced IT professional, you won't have to waste time navigating through unnecessary menus. Next thing to consider is its recovery capabilities. N2WS doesn't just back up your data, it helps you recover it quickly. It offers fast and reliable restore processes that can get your business back online with minimal downtime. Some competitors may struggle with this, taking too long to restore data or failing to ensure recovery accuracy. N2WS's focus on rapid recovery is perfect for minimizing business disruptions, something you definitely want when you're working with sensitive cloud data. The fifth point is about its security features. N2WS provides strong encryption for both data at rest and data in transit, ensuring that your business data is always protected. It also has advanced features like multi-factor authentication and granular access controls to help manage who has access to your backups. When compared to alternatives like Rubrik, N2WS doesn't skimp on security, providing peace of mind for businesses handling sensitive or regulated data. Another thing to note is its support and documentation. N2WS is known for offering excellent customer support, with a team that's quick to respond and resolve issues. Many users have praised the knowledge base, which offers detailed tutorials and troubleshooting guides. This level of support is crucial, especially for businesses that don't have a large in-house IT team. With N2WS, you're not just getting software, you're also getting a dedicated team behind you. The final thing to consider is its scalability. N2WS grows with your business. Whether you're just starting to expand your cloud infrastructure or you're already managing large-scale operations, N2WS can easily scale to meet your needs. This is something that sets it apart from other backup solutions that might struggle to keep up with your growing cloud environment. To wrap up, N2WS offers a comprehensive, user-friendly, and scalable backup solution that stands out in the market, especially for those who use AWS. It's perfect for businesses looking for reliable, flexible, and secure cloud backup solutions. If you want to try N2WS for yourself, click the first link in the description below for the best free trial and enjoy some exclusive benefits.